Aside energy, everything in the world is made up of matter. And matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. But the question is, in how many states does matter exist? To answer this question, let's take a look at some examples of matter. We'll look at a rock, water, air, and flame. All these examples of matter are not in the same state. So we'll try to identify the states of matter displayed here. Matter can exist in 4 basic states. They are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. A solid has a definite shape and volume. For example, some wood samples, which are solids, always maintain the same shape. Now, why does a solid always maintain the same shape? It is because the particles in a solid are packed closely together. The forces between the particles are strong enough that the particles cannot move freely. They can only vibrate. As a result, a solid has a stable, definite shape and a definite volume. Solids can only change shape under force, as when broken, cut, or melted. Just like solids, a liquid has a definite volume, but no definite shape. For example, water always maintains its volume if the temperature and pressure remain constant, but take the shape of its container. If you pour water into a cylindrical bottle and a conical flask, the water will take the shape of the 2 containers, respectively. What makes it possible for a liquid to take the shape of its container? This is because the molecules in a liquid have enough energy to move around, which makes them mobile. This makes it possible for a liquid to conform to the shape of its container. A gas has neither a definite volume nor shape. It always fills the entire space of its container and also takes the shape of the container. Now, can you think of why gases are able to fill up the entire space of their containers? It is because gas molecules have very weak bonds of attraction, so they can move freely and quickly. Because of this, not only will a gas conform to the shape of its container, but it will also expand to completely fill the container. Gas molecules have enough kinetic energy, and the distance between neighboring molecules is much greater than the size of the molecules themselves. Plasma is a state of matter that is likened to a gaseous state in terms of free movement of particles and no defined shape. A marked difference between the plasma state and the gaseous state is the presence of ionized particles. Now, a very hot flame that has ionized gaseous particles with substantial density can be considered as plasma. Other examples of the plasma state of matter include lightning, sun, stars, nuclear fireballs, neon signs, and electric arcs. In summary, you have learned that matter can exist in 4 different states, which are the solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, and plasma. I'll see you in the next lesson.